Do you struggle to get the perfect blend at home and to get the best colour payoff? Do you always get out on a night out and then think, where's my eye makeup gone? Well, today's video is all about how to get the best colour payoff and to perfect your blend at home. First, we're going in with MAC Paint Pot in Painterley, and we're going to completely cover the eye as an eye base. This is water resistant, it will stay put if you've got particularly oily eyelids. It's a great product to make sure that your makeup doesn't move. So take this right into the edge of the nose and right out. Apply a very fine layer, buff this out. And if you feel like you need more, then go in and put another layer over the top. Don't put anything in too heavy straight away because this product can crease and look quite cakey. Apply some to your lash line underneath because what you want to do is get rid of any discoloration, any pink. Next, going in with the BEAUTYBAY Orange Origin palette, and we're using these colours. And I'm using a PC36 Peaches and Cream brush. I work slightly differently. Rather than applying lots of dark colour first and blending out, I start with the lighter colour, create the gradient and slowly build the colour up. So you're starting in the crease, we're taking that right into the crease and we are buffing out. And then you're going to take the colour up slightly and start going lower down into the crease. And just continue blending. While we're here, if this is your first time here and you want more tips and techniques on varied hair and makeup stuff, then start now by subscribing and clicking the bell, and you can also check out the link below for our Facebook Squaddies page for a nice little Facebook community for more makeup tips. In with the lighter colour from the beginning, I'm just pressing this over the socket line. So you could add a shimmer in here or a glitter. Next, we're applying Precision Gel Liner from ILLAMASQUA, and this is in shade Oblique, which is a lovely chocolate colour. I'm just going to apply this all to the under of the lash line. I'm just going across halfway, and then I'm going to take this along the waterline too. I'm applying this with an INGLOT 32T brush, which has this lovely little point. It's a great precision brush. Back in with 32T, I'm not applying any more product, I'm just dragging that out a little bit. Shadow brush, soften that line. And then picking up some more of the BEAUTYBAY palette, I'm just going to go back over the top. I'm still working on that corner and patting this product out. I'm not overly blending it anywhere because I want it all concentrated to this area. So, back in with your PC36 brush that we use for the eyeshadow. I'm not applying any more eyeshadow to the brush. I'm just gently going to go around the edges first and make sure that we've got a nice blend. Okay, we've just finished our eye makeup with an Eldora lash in M103. If you'd like more tips on how to get your own eyelashes, make sure you go and check out our eyelash tutorial. It's a new hack, very different to anything that anyone else is doing, and it is so easy to get your eyelashes to stay in place. I'm just going to apply a little bit of HD Brows eyebrow palette. This is from the Pro palette, and I'm keeping this nice and soft but just giving a little bit more definition. I'm also using HD Brows Angle brush, and these are amazing. They're about £13, and I've had this one for ages. It's been washed loads and it's still held its shape. So it's a bit more of a natural brow. Just thicken up and tidy up. Next you can leave the eyebrow as it is, but I always like to just sharpen the underneath up. So for a daytime look you might want to leave it, but I always think it looks nice tied up. And this is the high definition, the high HD Brows pencil. What do they actually call this? It's like brow concealer. And then after, just go in with, I'm using the PC51 brush again that we used for the concealer on the eye. I'm just going to go around with this. It just tidies up the brow. So if you end up with any strays, or your brows need waxing or anything like that, it's great for just sharpening up and tidying up and just camouflaging any hairs that you've got that you've not quite got around to doing. So it is a little bit of a amazing product. I absolutely love it. Peaches and Cream, and this is PC3A, and I'm just going to use soften off there so you can't see no harsh lines. If you feel like you've gone too far down, pick up a little bit of your blend colour that you used at the beginning and just go in and just soften. And then let's use a tiny bit of highlighter just to finish that look off. So we use one of the golds. Let's use the gold out of BEAUTYBAY. Pop a little bit of this in the corners. So using the same PC51 brush, I'm just going in with a little bit of Maybelline Instant Anti-Aging Eraser, which I know we don't really need the anti-aging here, but underneath your eye can be a bit delicate, and this is lovely and light, and it's got a little bit of a light reflector in it, so it's great for tidying up underneath. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that up. And that is our completed look. Thanks for joining me on another tutorial. I hope you found this useful, so please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified for the future videos. Next week I'm bringing you a tutorial on blending in glitter and another hair up tutorial. But for now, I'll leave you with these two follow-on videos for keeping your waterline in place and how to change up the colour, and also how to fix on your own eyelashes, and it's a new little hack that really, really works. There you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.